Hey gorgeous gals, welcome back to Contour Image, where I help you build confidence through your image. Today we're going to be doing a nail tutorial over what I like to call a touch of autumn. These are actually one of my most favorite nails I think I've ever done. I just love the gold tips and the bright autumn colors. I'm getting a lot of compliments from these. A lot of people really do like it, and it just happens to be, just like I said, probably one of my best ones. So let's get started. So I painted each nail 3 coats of the color, and then I topped it off with a matte top coat so that it would give that fall color like the leaves, right? They're no longer shiny, so they're matte. And that would also help emphasize that gold tip. And I did each nail separately from the next just because the colors leave a sticky finish and I don't want to mess that up. So I just kind of finish each nail as I go. Now for the gold tip part. This part's probably going to be the trickiest part of the entire thing. You're going to need to take your clear top coat and just trace along the tips of the nails. This will be, like I said, kind of tricky, but if you can do it, it will look really great. Next thing you'll do is, once that's cured, you will rub the gold chrome. And I will tell you, for whatever reason, I'm not really sure why, but I had to do it 3 times. So I would rub on the chrome, then I'd have to seal it in, and then I'd have to do another rubbing of the chrome and then seal it in, and then do another rubbing of the chrome. I don't know why, but that's what gave it the most of the real nice chrome gold look. So you just dust it off, and before you finish, you'll want to top off and seal in that gold tip so it doesn't rub off, because it will rub off if you don't top it off. So you just move on to the next nails and just do one at a time until they all look like this. Thanks so much for joining me here at Contour Image, and remember to stay beautiful for life.